What's good, motherfuckers? Y'all know what it is. It's your boy Sonny, motherfucker Luciano. But you know, I got this game right here that I want to play. It's called Watchdog. I will give me a gato, my so I could be able to do my live streams. You know what I'm saying? One day, and we will be getting it together. 'Cause eventually I will be getting that. And make it more easier to do these videos so y'all can see it. So it won't be so trashy or looking so ugly. You know what I mean? I kinda I have started it, but you know, I'm not as far as I should be. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to just go ahead and continue this game. We about to go ahead and get this cracking. Watchdog, I mean, at first I thought I wasn't gonna like this game. Thought it was gonna actually kind of be trash when I heard that all you do was just hacking and all type of stuff. But, you know, but when I got to playing it, this shit is actually on point. This shit nice. I mean, I honestly like it. You know what I mean? Well, go ahead and let me know, you know what I'm saying, what you think about it. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I will be getting in the Gato. I mean, the Gato, but I still want you guys to please come just please, man, help your boy out, man. I mean, give me some likes. You know what I mean? All that's all I need. I just need some likes, and all I want is 1,000 likes. Okay, right now I have to be getting the hell up out of here, so I'm getting the fuck off. Motherfucker boys is on me. They looking for me. They trying to catch me. Looks like they already right here waiting on dude. Right here. So I'm about to hop in this car and pull the fuck off. Up, I'm crashing. Get up out of here. Up, get me through there. These motherfuckers, they not gonna catch me, dog. I'll be damned if they. What you doing? Get off me. Look at it. Oh, look at it. I think they about to just close me up in there. Y'all gotta be tripping. Y'all is not about to get me. Thinking they about to make me pull up. You gotta be fucked up. You gotta catch me first, homie. Change that light green. Oh my gosh, I am fucking up big time, people. But they are not about to catch me. Then to find me somewhere where I know that I can hide at. Motherfuckers don't know where I went. Oh my god. Almost got away, then they saw me. Still behind me. Talking about they gonna clip me. You ain't about to clip me, homie. Hitting them corners on them boys. Post up right here. They ain't gonna find me, man. Oh shit, they found me. This about a bitch. The fuck they know that I went that way? Yeah, they lost me. They can't find your boy. Get the fuck up out of there real quickly. Yeah. Little motherfucker, they just riding all down that way. They can't see me. And we good, my babies. Now we about to get up out of here, go to the cut. Move your ass out the way, nigga, before you get ran over, little bitch. This game kind of got a little Grand Theft Auto thing to it where you gotta, you know what I'm saying, where you get to take cars from people. But it's not nothing like Grand Theft Auto. That's like the only thing of Grand Theft Auto that it has. As you see that it's showing you what to do, how to get to your destination. Usually sometimes I hit that boy and let these motherfuckers go and get hit. But these bitches always in my way and don't know how to move. Oh yeah, right here at the cut. I was playing this the first time, and like I said, I like this. This is kind of nice. Got a nice little story mode to it. But I really need you guys to 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 like my videos, please. If I could just get 1,000 likes, I will be very, very, very happy. All I need is just 1,000. Because I know it's not the best for you guys. I know it don't look like it's good, but shit, help your boy out though, man. I'm trying to get up there to to Stacks level. I'm trying to get up there to King Shine Body Bags. You know what I'm saying? I watch them boys all the time, man. Shout out to them boys, man. Shout out to Stacks, man, for sure. I watch this shit a lot, man. And that new Freddie Banks, man. I'm dealing. I mean, I'm digging that. My man's out there dominating them motherfuckers. Out there showing them niggas how to get down on the motherfucking scene, man. Can't wait till I see him get in that NBA, see what that boy do to him. Them college and them high school little niggas, they could fuck my man. You know what I'm saying? They wanting us to do some upgrades. And I have 5 upgrades. So I'm gonna upgrade this ATM because I can get some money out of people. You know what I mean? Know what I mean? I'm gonna need that eventually. That there. Uh, Whenever I need to get on that train, I'm gonna need that. I'll be able to get some more of this hacker stuff. Hmm. That's the main thing right there. If them helicopters get on you, you gotta get them motherfuckers up off. You know what I mean? So, wasn't too much little upgrade, but I'm kind of like save up so I can get enough upgrade. Okay, they want a nigga go to sleep. Go ahead, lay my ass down. It don't matter. 6 o'clock Get up about 6 in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. What you doing? Outside on the corner. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. What you doing? Outside on the corner.
Okay, you're the boss. We'll go to plan.
This is actually the game that's doing that little crap there. I guess I don't know why it's doing that, making it look so horrible looking like that. Just because they gotta change back and forth. But other than that, I feel like I honestly like this. My man Aiden
Sick of it being
Pierce.
that way. It's never a dream of a tiny face pressing the window when she knows I was coming over. Or that little wobbly dance she did. It's always the same nightmare.
Let me turn the TV up a little bit, you guys. So you can, you know, hear the storyline or whatever. I had a couple other videos on there that looked kind of a little horrible, but I still want you guys to go on there and like and subscribe your boy. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe your boy. Your boy Sonny, motherfucker Luciano, Mister,
Can't get my mind off things.
AKA Mister Stay Fly.
Lucky for me, this city's full of
You know what I
distractions.
mean?
Nothing to
Fly
hide from
boy,
me.
you already know. Representing that fly team on this motherfuckers here. Yeah. Also, like I said, I have what you call Madden 16 that I'm playing. So my 360. I don't have my Xbox One yet, but I will. And once I do, it is going down. Y'all will see my. Oh, I didn't mean to do that shit. I just made these motherfuckers just run. Got these niggas scared. Didn't mean to blow shit up. Wasn't the plan. But anyway, yeah, I got my man 16 on there. Starting off a career with my boy CJ Smith. As a foremost, he's playing quarterback for the Detroit Lions.
I'll have
You know
to
what I'm
thank
saying?
CTOS one day. Some
And
regional vision
also
recognition
got
software
my
that I've
NBA
got access to
2K16
everyone's
with my
personal
boy
details.
motherfucking Mo Splash Money. Well, Mo Money. You know what I mean? Hacking all these people. You know what I'm saying? Seeing what they talking about. Stealing their money off their ATMs. You know what I'm saying? This I feel like this is kind of nice. You get to steal these people. You get to look at their text messages. I really don't understand why, but some of these people tell you some shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go over here.
That guy's out of control. I'm not gonna let him hurt anyone today. Simple trace of his call and he's mine.
It's like I gotta go grab me a car. Gotta go find this dude. Gotta go murk this nigga real quick. Let's say murk, but I'm gonna beat the shit off this motherfucker. Let this nigga know. Nice little car right here. Oh, that's a little small little bitch. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab me this truck, man. I'm gonna me a truck. I'm gonna grab this truck over here. Ain't no, ain't nobody know what's going on. Get up out of here. About a couple of areas away. Right here, right here.
He's here somewhere. Just move carefully. Don't get spotted. Let the profiler do the work.
Alright, now I gotta scan. Go ahead, open up this profiler.
Okay, let's find this guy and get this over with.
No, that ain't it. That ain't him right there. I believe this dude is like right around this corner. Right here.
Very close.
There you go, right there.
There he is. His target must be close. Let's see how this plays out.
Oh shit.
He spotted me.
I fucked up. Didn't mean to do it.
Take him down over a threatening text. Now he'll wait to attack another day.
Oh well, actually they said I completed it because I stopped him for about to attack that lady. Because he was really about to attack this lady. This is what happens the first day. But see, the thing is, the best thing, you get to hack this camera. You get to look and see what the fuck is going on.
Well, what?
That's a very,
Dickie, hey, I know, the party's starting.
very
It's almost over.
nice
Where are
game.
you?
I'm on my way.
You make me crazy. Jackson's really looking forward to it. Get over here. We miss you.
I miss you too. I'll be there. Sorry, Nick, I need to take this. I'll see you soon.
Good. You got out. Look, if you need some wheels, give me a call. I'll set you up.
Pre-owned cars.
You'd rather register yourself at a car dealer? I don't ask questions. This guy gives me any right I want. And you if you need it.
I just might. How's Maurice doing?
Oh, he's all sunshine and buttercups. I'm gonna dump him at my little dumping place.
I need him alive, Jordy.
Yeah, life. Whatever.
Goes against your better nature.
I'm gonna go over here.
Pop him and be done, but hey,
It's my little
maybe I'll
nephew's
give you
birthday
a license
party.
if you want.
You know
It
what
works
I'm
for a
saying?
paycheck.
See what's cracking like with this boy. Car on demand. Fat. It's that top of there. Let me see. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go there. Do one more mission. Get this shit out the woodwork. What do you wanna know how I feel? I feel like hacking these people getting money. Hacking all they ATMs. ATMs. The light is great. Let there be light. Gotta get out. Don't know why. Just to hit that.
I haven't been to Nikki's since the funeral. Am I ready? Jack's last birthday, Lena sang off key. Happy birthday. Full throttle, no holds barred. Now, I'm afraid of the silence.
Okay, here we go. Go ahead. My sister's house. It's been a minute since my niece died. You know what I'm saying? Haven't seen my sister in a minute, man. Nigga being so hurt. Trying to find out the reason why it's happening. Just gonna go straight to the back, because this is where I need to go anyway.
Okay.
See, I actually have to start all this over because I'm really kind of a little far that I, real far. Well, not that far, but far. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Got to start all
In that
over.
case, you deserve 10 birthday tickles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 10. Stay here for a second. So, an entire year and
Yeah, late. Yeah, I'm sorry, Nick. Really.
come here. Let's have a look at you. You look older.
Oh, nice. Thanks for that.
Tell me what
This
y'all
first
think
birthday
about
without
my
Lena.
little gameplay. Because, like I said, I don't have the gato yet.
Still doesn't
And
intimidate me.
a guy had told me about it.
You're on this
And shout out
as
to
a way of
him.
maintaining some sort
I
of
comment told him, you know what I'm saying?
You're
Shout out
right.
to him for
therapist.
suggesting that for me. I
She's
had to
helping
go
you.
look it up and
It's
see
okay.
what it was because that was my first
So,
time ever hearing about it.
It's hard,
And I
but we're
had
gonna
just
get through
started
it.
doing this. So let me quiet let y'all hear the storyline.
Jax.
Hey. Sorry I'm late. Bring it out. Wow. You are big. Is it ready? What do you got there? Wow, the healer. Cool. You bought him a real toy, huh?
Why don't you bring up your toys? I'm gonna speak with your uncle.
Yeah, I'll be up there in a sec.
This matters. You being here. I just need to make sure that things are different.
Things are different. You and Jax are the most important people in my life. I'm not gonna stop watching
Aww.
out for you.
Big brother love for his sister. That's
Always
what's
the
up.
big brother, huh?
You know it. And you know it. And you know. You know it.
Last time I was back here was Lena's birthday.
You got your
Jackson
phone, nigga.
adored her.
On
We
that
all
phone.
did.
You missed all the fun. The kids were playing vigilante, imitating that guy they keep talking about on TV.
Hey,
Yes.
hey, turn it right.
Cash was the
Turn
vigilante.
around and look at the bra.
They were all the vigilantes, and I was the only villain, but I make a mean bad guy. I gave him hell.
I should have come earlier. I could have warned them. Don't mess with my sister.
Remember when you and Mom were both sick as dogs, but Dad insisted his boy was going to have his birthday cake? That thing was an abomination, all burnt and lopsided. That was Dad in a nutshell. He did a lot of ugly things, but it was always about family. Listen to me, I'm rambling. Oh, really? No, don't let me interrupt you.
Who she's talking to?
Who is this? You think blogging caller ID will hide you? I don't know what's so entertaining, but the police won't find it very funny at all. I'm gonna give you some advice. Are you listening? Go outside, meet people, get a life, and stop calling me. What did you say? Listen, the police can trace this call.
Let me hack
I
her
know where
phone.
you live. How are the locks on those doors?
Oh, this nigga talking like he know where my sister lives, man. What is the fuck is this? He hung up.
Who was that?
Who was that?
Just some stupid prank. It happens.
How you know that's a prank?
This is strong enough.
Look, did you know his voice?
Oh, Jesus, Aiden, just leave it. It's fine.
It's fine. He thinks he can get inside.
How do you know what he thinks?
You're checking the locks.
Look, I can handle this on my own. We do not need your help.
Nikki.
So you know, people always talk about they don't need
We do
something.
not need your help. Please stop trying to fix our problems. Every time you try, you just make things worse.
Hey, I'm just trying to be a big brother. I'm just trying to take care of my sister and my family, man. You know, y'all all I got left. And that's how you gonna tell me and that I make things worse? That's how you gonna repay me? It wasn't my fault that my niece got killed, man.
See how safe you feel.
I didn't know them niggas was coming after me. I don't know why they was coming after me.
There you are.
Yeah. I'm about to go find this fool real quick. Get this fool.
Damn it. He's on the move.
Get this fool right here. There he go. Dipping off. And this fool right in our motherfucking area. Come here, nigga.
I've been afraid of this. Threats to my family.
Come here, nigga. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. I'm all over the place. Catch this nigga. Watch me catch this nigga. See you, fool. I see you, nigga. See you, nigga. See you, nigga. See you, nigga. Keep going up under these tunnels and shit, pulling off in front of these cars and making me fall up in these cars. Can't grab this nigga.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Shit, I'm falling down. Fuck it, I'm just gonna stay on this side.
Make me so crazy sometimes.
Uh-huh.
Come on back, okay? I promise I won't freak out on you. Aiden?
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Creep, aren't you?
Oh, motherfucker, what's
Doing
up?
it right now. I can't believe you.
It's not like that.
Stop being a hero, Aiden. Let it go.
Fuck that.
Yeah, but
Erupt this nigga car.
I can't hear you.
No, you can hear me perfectly. You need to stop right now.
Yeah. Hello?
He got out.
Still there? Can't hear you.
Catch this nigga.
Okay, gotta go.
Oh!
Oh, this nigga shooting at me. This nigga shooting at me. Bitch, get your ass down, motherfucker. What's up? The fuck you thought this was? Can't get a phone, fool.
So we have a deal? Shit, yeah. I can't believe you're paying me that much just to make a crank call. Nikki Pierce, right? I'll mention the locks like you said. And her kid. This feels wrong. That's the point.
Someone pay this asshole and harass Nikki. Who would pay for something like that? Watch it. Did you get anywhere with DedSec? Any of those CTOS hacks?
Yeah, I'm still trying. They're picking you up. Give me time.
Okay,
that's a nice
I need
car.
your help then. Can you trace a phone call?
How can I refuse my best client? Wait, what am I
Oh,
looking
he
at
pulled
here?
off.
It's from
Couldn't
a guy
get
who
it.
threatened my family.
We got another one right over there.
Alive.
A white one.
Well, the call came from somewhere in the Loop District.
Oh, I want that blue one. Blue is my favorite color. I love blue.
I can hack CTOS
In
instantly.
your car,
Best
bro.
client should be able to pinpoint the source back home.
Let's do that. Who's building a new CTOS center in the Loop? It's perfect.
DedSec tried to attack that center last month. We failed, and they just added more armed guards. So it won't be easy. Be careful.
Oh, shit. Didn't see that coming.
Make sure I'm armed and dangerous.
Alright, people. This concludes the episode of this Watchdog, first little episode. Let y'all find out, figure out what's gonna happen along with me. We about to cut this off. And the next episode, we will find out if we can figure who is this motherfucker hacking my sister and telling her what they's gonna do. Because, and whoever sent this dude to do this. So we're done with this. And please, like I said before, people, please, please like your boy. If you don't like your boy, then go ahead and kill yourself. You know what I'm saying? With a suicide note. And we'll get back into this next episode of Watchdog. And I'm out. Represent your boy, Sonny, motherfucker Luciano. Daytime is the best time. You already know what it is. Oh, bang!